Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. The current session focuses on blessings and curses and sociolinguistics. I hope and expect by the end of this session, you would be able to understand the sociolinguistic dimensions of the use of blessings and curses across the globe. Well, my dear students, the very first thing that I would like to share with you at the beginning of this session is that when it comes to blessings and curses, they are common to all the cultures and they are common to all the languages of the world. In fact, they are social and culture-specific expressions which play an important role in communication. So here, there are a couple of things that I want to point out. The first thing that I want to point out is that they are social and culture-specific expressions. So, various kinds of expressions are used in different societies. These blessings and curses, they vary socially and in terms of linguistic choices as well, linguistically as well, from culture to culture, society to society, and community to community. And secondly, they play an important role in creating kind of interaction or in, enabling communication. Blessings and cursing, they are very diverse in nature and they serve several social functions in social interactions. What is the major function that they serve? Blessings and cursings both, in fact, reflect the speaker's emotional attitude towards the addressee. These expressions that are of blessings, they are the expressions of gratitude or they are wishes for others. Now, these blessings can be related to, a particular occasion or a particular event or a particular happening in the life, and they can be general as well. As far as the social status of the users is concerned, blessings are generally extended by the elders in a society. On the contrary, when we look at cursing, a cursing is considered as a verbal act of threatening through which the speaker, wishes to or intends evil or misfortune to befall on the others. Most of the times, curses are used to blame the other as well. Well, I'm just going to share with you a few examples of, blessings, how they are used in different cultures. And for that, I have chosen the context of wedding. When a marriage takes place in the wedding ceremony, different kinds of, blessings are given. And I have here a few examples from different cultures. The first example that I'm sharing is of a Navajo wedding ceremony, where generally the kind of blessings that are given are, now you have lit a fire and that fire should not go out. The two of you now have a fire that represents love, understanding, and a philosophy of life. So, this is just a translation of the kind of blessings that are used by elders in the Navajo wedding ceremony context. I hope you would have noticed the use of the metaphor of light in this regard and fire in this regard. Another example for the same is from the American Indians. Now you will feel no rain for each of you will be shelter for the other. So, the husband and wife, as they are pronounced husband and wife, the blessing that is bestowed upon them is of, where they would shelter each other, and the metaphor of rain is used. So, how culturally it varies. Here is an example of a Polish blessing. May your heart be as patient as the earth, your love as warm as harvest gold. So, the metaphors of, the metaphors related to different cultures are different in the case of all these blessings. Here, the metaphor of earth is used to convey these blessings to the newlywed couple. Here is an example from a Chinese wedding blessing, the translation, of course. May you respect each other like honored guests. So, for us, maybe it is very interesting, but, in their cultural context, because a guest is honored a lot. So, the idea of respect between the husband and the wife is associated with this in this blessing. In short, blessings and curses provide insights into cultures and people's attitudes, their beliefs, and the norms. So, sociolinguistics is a fertile field within which there can be significant, studies can be made with reference to, the use of blessings and curses in various cultures.